Exness Beginner's Tutorial 2024. Hi guys, so in this video, I'll just teach you the beginner's tutorial for Exness. So in here, I'll choose and I will teach you how to use this trading platform. So it covers everything from signing up to an account to placing your first trade. So make sure that you first sign up, and then from in there, you should be able to see your account dashboard where you can see your account balance, deposit, and withdraw funds. You can also view your transaction history. So show you how to use the social trading feature. This is because this allows you to copy the trades of other successful traders. So you can search for successful traders and then copy their actual did. So from in there, you can move on to the trading terminal where you can place trades on Forex, stocks, and cryptocurrencies. You can add indicators and drawing tools to your chart, and you can know how to place, buy, and sell orders. So you can also do some pending orders and close orders. You can see there in that. So you can use a demo account and you don't need to worry about losing any money if you make a mistake. So just make sure to actually invest what you can lose, and that is my tip for you. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to know the Excel tutorial for beginners. If you have comments, comment them down below. I'll try my best to answer them. Thanks.